Hey, what's up, fam? Matty D here, A1 Solutions Group. Question. Would you like to be able to make money 24/7 while you work, play, or you're at work and while you sleep? The answer is probably yes. Next question. Do you believe it is possible that you can do that? Oh, wait. Yes, it is possible to make money 24/7. This is going to be part one on this. So it's all about how to make money while you sleep, how to make money 24/7 through one way. There are other ways. I'm not going to list them because when it comes to making more money, there's virtually, literally, an infinite number of ways you can do this. Don't believe me? Here's a true story. Go into Google and type in the pet rock. Type in pet rock, whoever, Google the pet rock. I want you to understand something. The pet rock, if you really look into it, is a really stupid idea. Some man, and this is big thing in the 70s, came up with the idea some way, somehow, of selling people a rock and turning it into a pet, and it was a hit, and the guy is wealthy, millions, made a lot of money on that. Think about that. I mean, really, and this goes into the lesson here, so follow me on this, okay? If someone can sell you, literally, he sold rocks to people and said it's a pet, and people ate that shit up like it was crack. Why in the world, if he can do it and make money literally selling a rock, why can't you make extra money? Why can't you make extra money while you're sleeping? It is doable, my friend. And I'll go into this real quick. For those of you who have 401ks, guess what? You're making money while you're sleeping. Your 401k, all right, I'll get too much into it. Yes, it does grow tax deferred, okay, but really what fuels the growth is not how hard you work. Your 401k does not grow because of what you do. It grows because as you put more money into it, but the primary fuel behind the growth of your 401k is the stock market, because in your 401k, you have a percentage allocated to stocks and some to bonds, if you ever looked into it. And so long as the stock market goes up, your 401k makes money. So you could stop contributing to your 401k for an entire year. As long as the stock market keeps going up, you'll still make money. While you sleep, while you're fighting people, playing games, smacking somebody, I don't care what it is. That's one way to do it. All right? So that's how it works. And again, don't believe me, look it up. Your 401k is based on stock market. So congratulations. For those of you who think stock market is too risky and everything else, if you're a 401k and you're putting money into it, it's not a stock market, you're not officially a 401k investor. You're welcome. So 401k is one way to do it. The other way is this whole thing, this video is investing in stock market. You can buy stocks, you can buy bonds, and that money is money that works for you 24/7. Now, it's not something that you're going to get money back right away for the most part. There are some sources I have that say there's some stocks that do pay monthly dividends. I don't know which ones are specifically, but there are resources you can look up. I'll post this below. But there are stocks and certain things that do pay monthly dividends, and some things you can make money on a monthly basis with this, okay? But for the most part, I'm going to keep it simple. Okay? If you really want to make money 24/7 and be able to have grow long term, investing stock market is one thing. And again, if you already have a 401k, guess what? You're already there, whether you like it or not. You might as well keep it going. Stock market is really simple. Buying stock in a company is buying a portion, either number of shares, ownership in a company, okay? And here's the thing. The stock market is like the only, if not one of the few things on this planet where once you buy stock in a company, you have no control of what happens. You're pretty much loaning money to somebody for ownership, and their job is to create enough profit so you make money too. You don't do anything. That's literally how it works. I don't care how hard you work. You work 12-hour days. If the stock goes down, it's not because of anything you did. It's because of news came out, some stupid. Think about it. Why is it that our president, whatever your thoughts are, any president really, can say something stupid, funny, ridiculous, and the stock market can drop or go way up? The president can come on right now and say, hey, we reached a deal with China, that trade war is over, and the stock market can go up or can go down. Or you could say, yeah, we didn't reach a trade war in the stock market. Or I'm sorry, you could say we didn't reach a deal, make a deal, stock market could drop or go up. Okay, you have no control of it. It's based off it. My whole point is that to be successful in the stock market, you have to learn how it works and research the company. As long as you research them and understand what they're doing, you can be successful with it, and you can make money with it over the long term. All right. Now I'm not no advisor. I need to put that disclaimer here too. This is one way you can do it. Stock market is one way. Okay. And if you're brand new and want to learn, you can get, I've mentioned in the previous video, you can find a link for it coming up. Actually, yeah, you should watch, because one thing about the apps I'm going to mention is something they're not telling you. So watch it in the video up here. Well, a good way to get started with the stock market is with Robinhood, Acorn, and Stash. I personally have Stash for myself. I like Stash. I think it's either Robinhood or Acorn. One of the two, maybe it's both. One of the two, in addition to Stash, now you can buy fractional shares, meaning you can buy fractions. So it's like, instead of buying one full share, you get like a portion of it. Some of these companies are expensive. Like, for example, if you want to buy actual shares of Google, it's one share of Google is over $1,000. Okay, that's a lot. It's a lot for most people. So unless you're like, a billionaire, you're kind of like screwed, right? But what Stash and Robinhood, Acorn, all three like to do is you can buy fractional shares of Google for as low as $5, at least a Stash, and now you have some sort of ownership in Google. And so now, literally, if you think about it, if you buy that in Google, okay, you're getting paid to use Google. The Google stock goes up, you make money in the long term, you're getting paid to use Google. So my advice to you on this, one tip I could say, is buy stock and stuff you already use from companies that you would buy from, like T-Mobile's got stock, Amazon does, Google, I mentioned one, Facebook. Like, if you use this stuff and buy from them, buy stock in them. This way, as they're growing in wealth, you get some too. And you're literally making money 24/7 while you're at your job, while you're not working, or or like me, shooting a YouTube video on this stuff. All right. So with that being said, the video is done. I appreciate you watching this. If you have any questions, call me directly. We'll talk more about this, especially if you want your credit work done and you want to continue this further by not just getting your credit score, but having a better understanding or awareness of how money works and how you can change your financial world around. Call me directly. Numbers are below. I'll put down some link for Stash if you want to use that too. And yeah, that's it. Appreciate you. And comment below what your thoughts are on this. If you got some value, subscribe. Love y'all. Deuces.